All right. Hello, everyone. In the last video, we talked about GitHub, how to uh, push your code on GitHub, how to manage your GitHub repositories. What is GitHub? Okay. In this video, we are going to talk about Vercel. So, first of all, what is Vercel? If you just open vercel.com, let me just log out from here. And you see, this is the vercel.com. So think like Vercel is a cloud platform that lets you instantly deploy like, your web applications and full stack applications with just a few clicks. Okay, so this is serverless, so no server setup required. It is designed for full stack developers like Next.js apps and Jamstack architecture, but it works seamlessly with all static sites, React apps, Svelte, Vue, all these like big famous frameworks of no of JavaScript or TypeScript. All right, so you see you can deploy your apps in seconds of Next, Svelte, Nuxt, React, Astro, Python, all these stacks. And think of Vercel as the launch button for your applications. Okay, it is designed for all kind of developers. The advantage of Vercel is one click deployment from GitHub or xBesh. It is free for your hobby projects with a very generous limits. You can have the automatic HTTPS and CDN for fast global delivery. You can connect your custom domains with the instant setup. it is it comes with the built-in CI and CD, like every code push equal to auto deployment. So let's say if you are going to push your code on GitHub, I will show you how it works. So in the last video we have created this weather app. Okay, now I'm going to log into my Vercel account. I'm going to connect it with my GitHub. So let's say once my account is logged in on the GitHub, I'm just going to log in with my this account. Okay, I just need to log in with my email ID and password. I must have received one authentication code on Vercel. It is showing me the login detail. I will just go. I will just need to wait. I have not received a code yet. I will just wait for a few seconds more. I will. Okay, I'm going to set up a new account. Just wait. I'm working on my personal. I'm just making a new account. So on Vercel. So this is how it works. Continue with email. Now I will receive one code on my Gmail. See, I got this email. I'm going to copy this from here and I'm going to paste it here. My account is verified on Vercel. Okay. Like companies like eBay, companies like Shopify, they all use GitHub Vercel to deploy their project. Okay, I'm going to continue like importing my repos. I will click on install button to install all my repositories here. I will click on install. Now you see all my projects are connected here, like my weather app. So I will click on import button. So one more thing you need to understand, let's say if you have any .env file here in your project which is going to have all your SOPA based tokens or your other API tokens, which is going to be very important and crucial information about your services of database or APIs. You need to just copy paste that env file to the environments of variables here, environment variables. Okay, I will show you. I will make a separate video for this, how to use that, but right now we don't have any env variables. So I'm going to click on deploy button. So once my project is deployed, it will give us a link. Okay, it will give us a link how to access the project, and using that link I can see my project is being built, and using that link I can access my project live on internet. See, congratulations, you just deployed a new project. If I click on continue to dashboard, I will come here on the dashboard, and using the domains link, I will click on this and I will be able to access my applications here, which I have built on xBesh here. Okay. Now, if I will just change anything on this project, like can we change the name of the project and the brand name as weather koala weather. Okay. So now this the brand name and the name of the project is going to be changed as koala weather. Oh, I just made a typo here, but no, it's I think it's correct. Okay. So once the code is going to be updated, see, it has changed the name of the app, Koala Weather, and now it is changing the branding also, and the logo also, and everything. Once it is changed, is going to be right now here. It is just weather app. Okay. Uh, Once we have updated the code and everything, the search bar is being updated. The logo has been updated already. Now the loading spinner is being updated as koala, cute koala loading animation. Now the error message file is being updated. The forecast card is big because branding is on every page. So I have just asked to change the brand, okay, brand name. So it is going to update all the files in the project. Once your all files are updated and everything is working perfectly fine, you just need to make sure that you are going to push your code to the GitHub repo again. And as you know, you have already connected your project with your GitHub. If you just go to the project setting, you make sure that your project is opened. Okay. Because you just come here on the projects. If you go to settings, this is not the setting I'm talking about. I'm talking about the project settings. So open the project and then go to the settings and then go to the Git. And here you can see your this particular project is connected with this repo. So once your project is done, as you can see, it has been completed, and the branding of the project is now Koala Weather. You see, everything is updated. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to push to the GitHub, and I will choose the weather app, push code, overwrite, and I will say brand name updated as Koala Weather app, and okay. So the code is being pushed. Once the code has been pushed, you come back to the Vercel, click on the deployments. You see, right now it has started building the project. You just have pushed your code to the GitHub, not to the Vercel. But as you know, the Vercel comes with the auto integration with GitHub. So it will deploy your app automatically on Vercel also. You see, now the branding has been updated as Koala Weather, and everything else, like see, the loader and everything else is updated. 7 days koala forecast, koala's current location, all everything is updated. Even I will just search London, UK. See, the koala is generating the locations data, and made with love by Koala Weather. And you can understand how it is so convenient to use GitHub with Vercel to deploy your project. So next time when you are just working on a project, make sure you are pushing the code to the GitHub and you are importing your project inside the Vercel using GitHub only. Click on next new project and import button. So if you are importing your repo from your GitHub, every time whenever you just push the code to the GitHub, it will deploy automatically on Vercel also. Okay. So in the next video, we will talk about what is serverless, how to deploy your project on Netlify, what is Netlify, and other host also. Okay, so let's see you on the next video. Thank you so much.